Alright, here we go. I'm gonna show you how to put a ringtone on the Blue Life 1X LTE. Sorry about the quality. I don't have any idea what I'm doing here. So, here's Zedge, okay? Zedge, free for your phone. I'm just gonna hit any ringtone. Here, mom, okay? Download. So I'm downloading mom, okay? Alright?
Mommy!
Okay, so it's working. Alright, now I'm going to go into my phone settings. Sorry, settings. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I want to go to the file manager, okay? Here it is. See? File manager. Phone storage. Okay. Download. See? Mom. There it is. I'm going to copy. See, I just copied. And now I'm going to go to the phone. Find the ringtone files. Boom. I'm going to paste. Paste. There it is. Mom in the ringtone file. See it? Now, I'm going to go to my contacts. Okay, say I want to set it for my daughter. Okay, I'm going to see these 3 dots. They don't say anything about the ringtone. So first, I'm going to go to Edit. Then hit the 3 dots. And see how it says Set Ringtone? Boom. So I would set the ringtone. And then when she would call, it'd say, Mom. And that's it. See, I'll even do it. Set ringtone. See? And then it's a list of ringtones. And there's the one. Wait, where's the one? There it is. Mom. See? And then just check it in my list.
Mom! Mommy!
See?
Mommy!
And then push OK. That's it. Okay?